Hello guys, and welcome back to Maddie's Review channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Neewer Ring Light Kit. Stay tuned. Alright, so here is the Ring Light Kit. This is by Neewer. So I'm just going to go ahead and let my son unbox this. It's got some foam in here, so it's very well packaged. So inside this box you have a few other boxes. This one here has all your light coverings, your power plug, your user manual. There's your power plug. These are your different shades. This is your phone tripod port. This is where you'd connect this if you want to use your phone to do your videos. And there's the tripod stand. So right here is the actual tripod that holds this ring light. Very sturdy, good quality. So inside this one you'll have another box, which this box here contains the actual ring light itself. This is by Neewer, the ring light. This is the 18-inch ring light. So you can see right here, this one does have the white covers. The other one are more of a orangey. So at the bottom, you have your controls. There's your control to turn it on, to lighten it up or darken it. That's a DC 12 volt. And this little handle at the bottom is where you'll tighten it up to the stand. So let's go ahead and try it on. So we're going to dim the lights. And we're going to turn this on so you can see how bright it is. This is the brightest and it does go down. Now if you switch out the plates to the orange one, you'll get more of a skin tone, summery look feel to it. So now let's go install the phone mount. In the bottom, you'll put your phone mount. So you'll see this right here. You'll just loosen this up. Once you loosen that up, you just slide it in here. And then turn it so where it tightens it up. So once that's tightened up, you'll grab the other piece, which is the phone holder piece. And then you put on the little tripod right here. It just twists in. You tighten it up. And the back of this tripod holder thing, it does tighten up. This little round thing back here. So just tighten it up a little tight. And the back, if you twist that, it will tighten it up. And that's what it looks like. So if you're interested in this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that little notification button. Thanks for watching.